Welcome to the manabiQ Admin Complete Guide. In about 7 minutes, we'll go end to end, turn a company document into an AI-generated training course, review the outline, check the AI's confidence in its own output, share the course with learners, and look at how to track results. Let's start. From the dashboard, click Generate Course to start a new course. manabiQ accepts source material from 4 places: your Google Drive, OneDrive, a direct file upload, or a web URL. For this demo, I'll use the File Upload tab and drop in a PDF. Drag and drop, or click to browse. PDF, Word, and plain text files up to 20 megabytes are supported. Optional but recommended. Open ad instructions and tell the AI who the audience is or how technical to keep the language. A short note here noticeably improves quality. Then tick the copyright disclaimer. You confirm you have the rights to use this content. Click Next. Start AI analysis. The AI will read the source, draft an outline, and take you to the review screen. Here's the AI's first draft of the course outline. You can rename, reorder, or delete any module before generating the full content. Just click the title field and type. When the outline looks right, click Approve and Generate Content. This is the long step. The AI now writes the full body, exercises, and quizzes for every module. 2 to 4 minutes is typical. While that finishes, here's a tip. The more focused your source material, the more focused the modules. A whole employee handbook gets summarized. A single chapter gets explored in depth. Generation complete. We're now on the course's main edit page. Before we share this with anyone, here's something unique to manabiQ, the AI Confidence Report. It tells you how much of the course is grounded in your source material, how much the AI supplemented from general knowledge, and where you should review extra carefully. When you're ready to share, click Share with learners. A short approval checklist appears. Confirm you've reviewed the content, the quizzes, and your learner list. Tick the boxes and hit I confirm. Share now. The course is now live for the learners you invite. Now let's invite learners. From Learner Management, click Add Learner, fill in the email, name, employee ID, department, and pick the course you just shared. Hit Add Learner. For larger rollouts, Import CSV lets you add hundreds of learners at once. Same fields, just a CSV file. Once learners are working through the course, Analytics shows where they are. Total learners, average progress, quiz scores, completion rate, and a per-learner breakdown. Need more admins? Team Management lets you invite editors who can co-manage courses and learners on standard and above. Finally, back on the dashboard, here's manabiQ's Agentic AI dashboard, about 3 minutes on what's on the screen and how to read it. The top right toggles between Simple View and Advanced View. We'll start in Simple. Up top, the data collection status. The system needs about 10 pieces of feedback before it has enough signal to make recommendations. How Agentic AI works lays out the 4-step cycle that keeps your training improving over time. This is what's running in the background, all the time. Step 1. Collect feedback from every edit, every quiz, every thumbs up. Step 2. Analyze patterns. The AI looks for clusters across your data. Step 3. Generate suggestions. Clearer prompts, reworded questions, new examples. Step 4. Continuous improvement. Approved changes feed back into the next course generation. 3 colored dots show which engines are running. Feedback collection. The data pipeline, on for everyone. Prompt Evolver kicks in once you have enough feedback, proposing prompt edits. Adaptive Quizzes generates targeted practice for each learner's weak spots, standard and above. Now switch to Advanced View. The first thing to look at is module performance. Each module gets a single 0 to 100 score, blending how often you edit the AI's output with how learners perform on its quiz. Top performers go up here. The AI nailed those modules. Modules that need attention sit right below. That bottom list is what an admin actually opens on Monday morning. No other LMS shows you which AI-generated module is underperforming. manabiQ does, and it gets sharper every time someone takes a quiz.